We have Linda, our first caller tonight.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and take Linda now. Thank you for calling, Linda.
Hi, thank you for taking my call. I have a question, I guess, about if a person has an accident, if they need a lawyer. It's my son. The situation is he was charged with failure to yield the right of way at a stoplight. I guess they both had the yellow light, and he was making a left turn, and the other person was going straight. And he didn't see the other person stop and thought the other person was leaving the scene of the accident, and he kept going because he had an appointment to get to. And he's a bit challenged in some ways, so he didn't understand the significance of it until after I called him. And he called me and told me about the accident anyway. But he's being charged with failure to yield the right-of-way and leaving the scene of an accident. He wasn't arrested or anything like that after the policeman called me. He was very professional and everything. But I got a part of his medical records, his driving records. He has a court date in December. Do you think for this type of situation, do we need to have a lawyer?
Sean?
Well, that's a great question, Linda, and I would say that if you have the financial resources to do so, I would definitely want you to get a lawyer for your son for this type of offense. Because it was charged as a hit and run, there's some real consequences in terms of conviction of that would result in his license, driver's license, being suspended. A experienced criminal defense attorney who handles traffic matters like that probably is going to be able to put him in the best position to advocate on his behalf based on his, his challenges as well as his medical history, and hopefully get that charge reduced to something like duty upon striking a fixture or striking an unattended vehicle. It's kind of a plea bargain that would allow him to not have his driver's license suspended. He's still going to have some fines and pay some fees if he can't get around the fact that he did not know the other driver drove off. Obviously, he should have still stopped and contacted the police when he was involved in the incident, even if the other driver did run off. But it's always good when dealing with the complex legal system to get an attorney on your side, and representation like that, probably isn't going to cost a whole lot. Yeah,
that's great advice, Sean. In addition to that, when we talk about the criminal prosecution like that and the cost of it, and the cost of hiring a lawyer can also help deal with the collateral costs, and that would be, with the license suspension, the insurance, your insurance costs are going to go up, and there are other potential costs that they don't really know about. Like, say, for example, if he pleads in a certain way, then he'll be subject to paying a probation fee every month, paying all kinds of service fees in addition to that. So, Linda, get a lawyer. It's the best thing to do.